Hello, ma'am. So I want to give a testimony regarding yesterday's that vision board class you have given. Um, it was a wonderful experience for me. I don't know, whenever I feel sad or something, I got a pop up from your Insta ID that. Regarding some rituals, so this time I was planning to prepare for a vision board. So I was taking ideas from like different, from your videos. Suddenly a pop-up came that you're planning to start a class on this vision board. So I thought that after listening that live session, the moment that you finish the session, I messaged you, can I join the class, what is the criteria. Then I've joined it, and so for 2 days it was like an eye-opening session for me. While preparing that the Sunday, it was like normal, okay, I will prepare the chart. But the moment I started preparing that chart and I was writing the affirmation, I was posting the picture, I felt so happy that I felt that already my desires, all my affirmations are already completed. I mean, I've already achieved it. It's like, I and moreover that, it was very happy moment for me that that I was doing something for me. I'm pampering myself, and it's like मतलब अच्छा लग रहा था कि यार अपने लिए कुछ करके जो खुशी मिल रही थी, लाइक द वन वर्ड दैट कीप ऑन स्ट्राइकिंग मी इज़ दैट, अरे जो चाहे लिख दो। मैम सेट यूनिवर्स हैज़ सो मेनी थिंग्स। यूनिवर्स के पास बहुत कुछ है, यूनिवर्स के पास बहुत पैसा है, ही यूनिवर्स विल गिव इट एक्चुअली। तो दैट वाज इन माय माइंड व्हेन एवर आई वाज पोस्टिंग सम पिक्चर, नो नो यूनिवर्स विल गिव इट, यूनिवर्स के पास पैसा है, ही इज़ अ, द गॉड इज़ अ फादर, सो फादर विल ऑलवेज गिव एनीथिंग ना। So बहुत पैसा है, that kind of feeling that I had yesterday while I was posting, I was creating that vision board. And even after that posting or pasting it my wall actually, and my sister was clicking the picture, I felt so happy. I was like, feeling to dance actually. I felt that I am in a pub or something and I'm dancing, I'm enjoying my life. There is no tension. I am like free bird actually. That kind of feeling, that kind of emotions that I had while posting it actually. While sleeping also, it was there in my mind that सब हो गया, like 2025 is mine year. I am going to rock this year. Everything whichever I have lost in my last previous years, I am going to get everything. I mean, so I'm so blessed to connect with you, ma'am, and through that I connect you with the divine. I'm so blessed currently. I'm very blessed to have a guru like you in my life. Thank you so much, ma'am.